to me, all you who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest. Not come to me when you have it together. Not come to me after you have it together. Not come to me after you solve your life. Not come to me once you are strong. Come burdened. This is not an invitation to performance. It is an invitation to release. Take my yoke upon you and learn from me. A yoke implies connection, alignment, submission. And yet Jesus says his yoke is easy, is light. That sounds paradoxical. A yoke usually symbolizes labor, weight, constraint. But here it becomes because the yoke of self-reliance is heavier. Control is exhausting. The pressure to manage outcomes drains the soul. To Christ's leadership, you do not lose freedom, you gain it. You exchange chaotic striving for guided movement. You exchange isolation for partnership. You exchange anxiety for rest. Matthew 11 is not about eliminating effort. It is about redirecting effort. The cities that resisted clung to their own way. John questioned but remained surrendered. Children receive because they trust. And Jesus stands at the center, offering rest not as an escape, but as alignment. Freedom and surrender is not laziness. It is learning from him. It is allowing his pace to replace your hurry, his wisdom to replace your pride, his authority to replace your control. It means admitting that you are weary, acknowledging that you are burdened, and choosing to come instead of pretending strength. The yoke is still there, but now it rests on his shoulders too. You're not pulling alone. You're not navigating alone. You're not carrying everything alone. Matthew 11 shows us that resistance produces heaviness, but surrender produces rest. Not shallow rest, soul rest. Find rest for your souls. That is deeper than physical rest. It is steadiness, security, peace in alignment. Freedom does not come from what you want, being anchored to those you well. So today, you do not have to. You can take, you can learn. And in that surrender, you will find something unexpected. Freedom